I took my parking spot.
Huh? What did you say?
So no, you're the one with the turn signal on to go on the right. I said, yeah, the illegal parking spot, but then that one opened up, so I was still in front of you.
What do you say? Too bad?
You talked to him?
Yes.
Darn right I talked to him.
No wonder you like him, Pat.
Huh?
Sony? Is it Sony?
I got a Sony beyond me. Imagine that showing your family coming in on such a thing.
Yeah. Cross over.
Yeah, we could see the deep side.
Get Pat over here. Pat's going to figure this thing out. He's going to look at it. He's going to figure out how it's built. Tell us what kind of cement they use. What kind of mixture. 60-40 concrete sand. Hoover Dam. Yeah, a little tunnel.
Road that goes out there.
There's a tunnel down there. They come down there somehow. Oh, there it is, over there. There's where it starts. Comes out over there. A boat. It's this is what I've been looking at since Vegas. Back to Joanne. Where she's been the whole time. See where she's going.
this, Pat?
Looks like they like drill down.
Yeah.
Drill lines and then they crack it.
Here we are, waiting till 3:45. Where's Dennis? Does it start it?
That other side, you missed the upstairs has
So many people.
Never in this elevator,
I know.
standing
It's
the wrong way. Here we are in the elevator with Pat. Any questions, Pat?
This is what you don't.
Hey, Pat.
Incredible, huh?
It's called fright. Fright.
That's not bad. You got the wall in front of you, right?
So you can't look down.
You're looking down.
Good thing these are your videos. They'd never be shown.
I'm going to send them to everybody.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
Everybody?
I made copies. That's what I'm giving for Christmas presents.
Oh, yeah?
I'm going to put a tape together. The experiences of Dennis and Joanne.
All right.
With the family.
Oh, that's all right. Thank you, though. Thank you, God.
Look at that's incredible, huh?
Let me do you.
Hey, do me.
Stop.
Watch out behind you.
Following Dennis. Friends, new buddies. Oh, look at them. They're talking. They're really, look at that. They're bonding here. That's love. There you go.
Just line up along the rail. There'll be plenty of room for everyone. Try not to watch the welding. It's dangerous for eyes. We're now standing in the Nevada wing of the power plant. This power plant is 650 feet long. It's 8 stories tall with 8 generators. There are 9 generators over in the Arizona wing of the power plant, but otherwise it's a mirror image. Magnificent Hoover Dam. If you look above us, you'll see it towering 560 feet above where we're standing right now. The total height of the dam is actually 726 feet. It spans the canyon about a quarter mile. That's 1,244 feet. At the top of the highway it's 45 feet thick, and at the base a mere 660 feet thick. Right below the dam, there's an office building. The windows leading to the administration offices. The people that built the dam decided the public will trust we built a good dam if we put our offices right beneath it. Either that or they wanted to leave the country quickly if the dam breaks, and they'll be in Mexico in about 30 minutes. I hope we don't join them. Down below us here, you can see the Colorado River rejoining its course. Right now, it's about 60 feet deep. It ranges from 40 to 70 feet deep, and it's about 54 degrees Fahrenheit year-round. The reason the water is so cold is it's drawn from the reservoir about 200 feet below the surface. Across from it, it's about 4% of its power from Hoover Dam. The rest is provided by natural gas and coal-burning power plants. Above us, past the last tower, there's 6 cables that span the canyon. That is a cable-way crane that's capable of lifting 150 tons. The operator sits in the booth hanging over the cliff on the Nevada side, and I've heard he's afraid of heights. Yikes. On the wall of the canyon below that, there's a building with 6 holes in the side. That's a valve house. The 6 needle valves were used to keep the river flowing while they put the generators in place from 1936 to 1961. When they put the final generator in place, they stopped using them. Eventually, they were all removed. But just last year, they were replaced with jet flow valves for flood control. And I'll explain that a little better when we get inside. And now behind me at the end of the ramp here, there's a tunnel. It exits about where the bridge is across the canyon. That's how all the vehicles get down to the bottom of the dam. They come down the tunnel, unless they're too big. Then they come down on the cable-way crane. And that's got to be a great ride. We're now going back inside the canyon. Just let me get to the front of the group and we will continue the tour.
What are you doing? Dueling videos? I hope you're not.
200 feet below the surface. Come on. Come
Okay, but he got Hoover, and I saw him out with it. Now your question is, there are three famous people named Hoover in the United States. One ran the vacuum cleaner company, one ran the company, the president, he was the president of the United States, and one ran the FBI. Which Hoover is the name after? The president, the FBI, or the vacuum cleaner president? Okay, the president. I know it's his birthday today. Herbert Hoover's birthday is today, August 10th, 1874. What's that?
Over here, I'll show you where it's on the wall. Come here.
You were supposed to bring it. I didn't see y'all bring gifts either. To the canyon, they moved it up into these tunnels on rail cars, hence the water from damaging the steel. So it has a life expectancy of 2,000 years. Why so long? Well, they figured the dam's supposed to last 2,000 years. The pipe better last that long as well, otherwise it wouldn't be worth the dam, now would it? Now, to build the dam, they had to get people here. To get people here, they offered a great wage of 50 cents an hour. Would you come help build our dam for 50 cents an hour? No, okay. Well, let's see, you just turned down a job that today would be paying $50 an hour. It was a good paying job. See, it was built during the Depression. The average wage was 10 cents an hour. Here you got 50 cents. That's a good wage. Now, there was a problem with your work schedule. You'd get 2 days off every, what do you think?